Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to transform your home from drab to fab, you've landed in the right place. Today, we're diving into some amazing and easy furniture projects that not only beautify your space, but can also help you make a profit. Whether you're a seasoned dyer or just starting out, these projects are perfect for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their home decor. Stay tuned because we'll be sharing tips on how to choose materials, market your creations, and even strategies to grow your small business in the competitive furniture market. If you enjoy what you see today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. And make sure to stay with us until the end of the video for some special insights that you won't want to miss. Let's get started on your journey from drab to fab. From drab to fab, easy furniture projects for home decor and profit. The furniture industry offers a wealth of opportunities for small businesses, especially those that emphasize unique, handcrafted items. In today's market, consumers are increasingly drawn to distinctive home decor that reflects their personal style and values. By focusing on simple projects that transform ordinary materials into stylish pieces, you can cater to this growing demand while also generating profit. This guide will explore practical furniture projects and essential business strategies to help you grow and dominate the market. Furniture projects to transform spaces. Start by considering furniture projects that utilize easily accessible materials like reclaimed wood, metal accents, and river sand finishes. These materials not only provide a low-cost entry point, but also align with the sustainability trends that many consumers prioritize today. Projects such as crafting side tables, shelving units, or decorative stools can be accomplished with minimal investment in tools and materials. For example, a simple wooden bench can be transformed with a coat of paint and a creative design, turning a drab piece into a fab focal point for any room. Showcasing before and after transformations through social media or a dedicated website can effectively illustrate the concept of drab to fab, captivating potential customers and inspiring them to engage in DIY projects themselves. Understanding your target market. To successfully navigate the furniture market, it's crucial to identify and understand your target audience. This could range from homeowners seeking unique decor to businesses looking for distinctive furnishings. Conduct market research to uncover trends, preferences, and pain points within your target demographic. Tools such as surveys, social media polls, and customer feedback can provide valuable insights. Once you have a clear understanding of your audience, tailor your marketing efforts and product offerings accordingly. For example, if you find that young professionals are your primary market, focus on trendy, space-saving furniture solutions that align with their lifestyle. Building an online presence. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is essential for any business. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your projects, share DIY tips, and engage with your community. High-quality photos and videos demonstrating your transformation projects can attract attention and encourage sharing among potential customers. Consider creating a blog or YouTube channel where you can provide tutorials, behind-the-scenes looks at your crafting process, and insights into design trends. This not only positions you as an expert in your field, but also fosters a community around your brand, driving customer loyalty. Building an online presence. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is essential for any business. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your projects, share DIY tips, and engage with your community. High-quality photos and videos demonstrating your transformation projects can attract attention and encourage sharing among potential customers. Consider creating a blog or YouTube channel where you can provide tutorials, behind-the-scenes looks at your crafting process, and insights into design trends. This not only positions you as an expert in your field, but also fosters a community around your brand, driving customer loyalty. Excellent customer service and loyalty programs. Delivering exceptional customer service is vital for building a successful business. Happy customers are more likely to refer others to your brand and become repeat buyers. Implementing loyalty programs or incentives for referrals can enhance customer satisfaction and encourage word-of-mouth promotion. Consider sending personalized thank you notes or follow-up emails to customers after their purchase. Actively seeking feedback and addressing any concerns promptly will demonstrate your commitment to quality and customer care. In conclusion, by combining creative furniture projects with effective business strategies, you can successfully navigate the competitive landscape of the home decor market. Emphasizing sustainability, understanding your target audience, building a strong online presence, diversifying your product range, and delivering excellent customer service will position your small business for growth and success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your passion for furniture into a thriving enterprise, transforming your own drab beginnings into a fabulous future. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Your support helps us create even more amazing projects and tips for transforming your home decor. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We appreciate you being here and can't wait to see you in the next video.